So just record it, and then you can. So basically, what I did was I took just a broomstick. Usually, guys use PV pipes, and I put it through the end. It was just an ordinary broomstick, and I took the end off, and I put it through the. Hey, oh, oh, oh! So I put it through the end. I just put a rope. I just tied it through an old cleaning thing. This cost $3. The rope is, I don't know, $6 for a big roll of it, just thin. And I just put a stopper on it so that when he goes and grabs it, I can take it away. Out, out. I can just drop the stick and go retrieve it, so I don't have to worry about the rope coming through because I put a stopper on it. See? So I put a stopper on it so it won't go through the end. And I use it like fly fishing. It's the same idea as fly fishing. So you pull it through, and it's not fixed. You don't have a fixed length, so you can make it jump. You can pop it like that. You just pull on the end, and yeah. And if he loses it, so and then you can yeah. See? There you go. So it's like the tease pole, but slightly different.
Uh-oh.
Oh.
Drop.
So if